everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. If you haven't already, make sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more weekly delicious, quick, and easy recipes. We have so many exciting dishes lined up just for you. Your support means the world to me. Every like, comment, and share helps us grow and bring you even more amazing content. Alright, today I have something super exciting for you, homemade eggnog that you can whip up in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, only 3 minutes. Perfect for the holiday season, right? Imagine serving this at your next holiday gathering or just enjoying it by the fireplace. So let's get started. I promise this will be fun and super easy. First, let's go over the ingredients you're going to need. 4 large eggs. Make sure they are fresh for the best taste. 1 cup of granulated sugar. This will give our eggnog that perfect sweetness. 2 cups of whole milk. Whole milk adds a rich and creamy texture. 1 cup of heavy cream. This is what makes the eggnog so luxurious. 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Nutmeg gives it that classic eggnog flavor. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon adds a warm, spicy note. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla enhances all the other flavors. Optional. 1/2 cup of bourbon, rum, or brandy if you want an adult version. This adds a nice kick for those who enjoy a little extra warmth. Got everything? Great! Let's move on to the fun part. Now, let's make some eggnog. I promise it's going to be delicious. Step 1. Separate the egg yolks from the whites. Be careful not to break the yolks. We'll only need the yolks for this recipe, so go ahead and set the whites aside. You can use them for another recipe, like meringue or an omelet. In a mixing bowl, whisk the egg yolks until they're light and fluffy. This is key to getting that smooth texture. This should take about a minute. You'll see the yolks change color and become pale. Next, gradually add the sugar while whisking continuously. This helps to dissolve the sugar and incorporate it evenly. You want to keep whisking until the mixture is thick and pale. This is when you know the sugar is fully incorporated. This should take another minute or so. Be patient, it's worth it. Now, slowly pour in the milk and cream while still whisking. This ensures a smooth and creamy consistency. Make sure everything is well combined and smooth. You don't want any lumps. Time to add some flavor. This is where the magic happens. Sprinkle in the nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. These spices give the eggnog its signature taste. Whisk it all together until it's beautifully mixed. You'll start to smell those wonderful aromas. And if you're making the adult version, now's the time to pour in your choice of bourbon, rum, or brandy. This adds a lovely depth of flavor. Give it all another good whisk to combine. Almost done, just a few more steps. Transfer your eggnog to a pitcher or a large jug. This makes it easy to serve. Pop it in the fridge for at least an hour to chill and let the flavors meld together. This step is crucial for the best taste. And there you have it. Delicious homemade eggnog ready in just 3 minutes. It's creamy, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion. Serve it chilled, topped with a sprinkle of nutmeg or a cinnamon stick for garnish. It looks as good as it tastes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. Your support helps us keep creating. Until next time, happy cooking. Enjoy your homemade eggnog.